Welcome back. In this evening's edition of A Ray of Hope, the story of a student who is using renewable energy to make a difference in the lives of others. With that story, here's Ken Morgan.
Light poles with no bulbs. And if there's a bulb, chances are it doesn't work. It's how things have been for a really long time at the Epping Forest Primary School in Potsdam District, St. Elizabeth. However, all of that is set to change after the efforts of a student who is committed to improving lives and learning through her renewable energy project called Off the Grid. 17-year-old Marissa Hutchinson is a student of the Hillel Academy.
Over the years, I've been doing a lot of volunteer work, whether going back to my former schools or donating care packages to my church. Today, I just really wanted to start a passion project dedicated to mixing the two initiatives that I feel very passionate about, renewable energy and volunteer work.
It's a passion which led to her donating 4 solar-powered perimeter lights.
They help with lighting and not depending so much on the JPS grid. We're in hurricane season right now, in events, and also we're in a country where, light may go away, often.
Marissa says her efforts are not only geared towards schools,
especially towards goals like Vision 2030, where Jamaica aims to rely on 50% renewable energy resources to generate electricity.
Marissa, whose ambition is to become an engineer, says that she learned all of this 10 years ago from her parents who are also renewable energy engineers.
Just going on sites, going on jobs, going on rooftops, setting up solar panels. So that's where my passion kind of led within the field of renewable energy. Also started through learning how to build stuff through Legos when I was younger. Also going on summer trips where STEM-based summer programs where I was learning to integrate renewable energy with AI and just learning more about how photovoltaics work and even thermal dynamics.
It's going to boost the students' STEM learning because at least they can see practical ways, how they can use renewable energy rather than depending on the regular JPS, which goes out on a regular basis, for the safety and the security of the school.
Marissa's mother, Tamara Hutchinson, is encouraging others to follow suit.
Whether it be small or large, just give from your heart because it will transform lives. So I will encourage corporate Jamaica and even the single man or even the child to just find an initiative and make an impact on that one life, because that one life can change many lives.
With A Ray of Hope, I'm Kean Morgan.